It's another hot summer morning. I'm doing brake calipers, the brake pads I need to replace, and the brake rotors, because when I press the brakes, it wobbles. So probably one of the causes it warped, probably. So I gotta return that back to the store that I have purchased it. There's a 2-year warranty with that one, and I gotta do some, at the same time I gotta do some oil change, so it'll be much more quicker. Has to do both, you know, time wise, so it's much better to do the same both. And we'll be driving to Nevada today, 1 o'clock, so it needs to be oil changed, much better. Well, I'll get back to you guys, okay? See you in a bit. Okay, I got the new rotors and the new brake pads. Yeah. Oh, it's time to install now. But first I gotta drain the car. Okay, now I'm draining. Yeah. At the same time I'm doing those rotors and brake pads. Oh wow. Okay, it's cleaned up, and we put the slide metal right there for the calipers and both sides. Make sure before you install it back, everything is clean. Even the cylinder in this side too, dyan. Siguraduhin yung malinis bago nyo i-ready nyo lahat para kabit na lang. Ayan. Okay guys, make sure na pag kinabit nyo to, maglalagay ka ng thread locker if installing back. Sobrang init, napakainit. So nalagay na natin yung yung brake rotors and yung caliper. Init po siya. Tapos na isa sa kabila. Torque isa ng 76 75 to 76 per pound. Just follow the right specification ng brake calipers nyo, right? Yan. Tapos ito na, lalagyan na natin to. Make sure linisin nyo rin to sa may cylinder. Ano nyo? Wow. Okay. Ready na yan. So, lagyan na natin yung brake pads. Lagyan muna natin ang grease. Ay! Ito mahirap sa malabo mata guys. Mahirap yung malabo ang mata. Pansin ko lumalabo na yung aking mga mata. So kailangan na ng there you go. Whew. Now, reverse. Init. Oh. Wow. Saan na init guys. Napakainit. Yan talaga. Safety first. Palagi yung brakes, tsaka yung tingnan nyo yung tubig na sasakyan, yung brakes nyo every time you drive, siguraduhin nyo ng tine-check yung brakes. Neat. Woo. Okay, so now let's torque this baby. Okay, sure. There you go. Ngayon, next naman yung sa baba. Let's put on 70. Abot ba? One. Two. That's good enough. So that's how it's done, guys. Now it's ready to put the tires back. Okay guys, tatapos ko na. Hindi ko na na-videoan. Saksakan ng init. Sobra, 100 plus eh. Mga 113 siguro. Pero tapos na. Have a good day guys.